Hello and welcome to Assembly with Sarah. Today we are assembling the Traeger Pro 22 series. So first I'm just getting all of the parts out of the box and unwrapping everything. So here I have everything and they give you a handy toolkit to build the Traeger. I'm just unscrewing the handles to put on the side of the barbecue. So the screws are already attached to the side handle. Next, I'm putting the legs on. So I've since found out if you turn the Traeger onto the hopper end, it's a lot easier to put the legs on. I'm putting the wheeled legs on first, and then I put the static legs on next. The tricky thing here is making sure that the bolt goes through one side of the leg into the other for the nut to fit. So I just use my finger to make sure it goes all the way through. Now I'm placing the leg braces onto the legs. So you have two braces. One goes between the static legs and then the other goes between the wheeled legs. It might feel that the legs are too far apart to attach to the brace, but just pull the legs in gently and they will attach. Now I'm attaching the chimney to the right hand side of the Traeger. It just requires the two nuts and bolts, and it helps if you've got the two spanners to just tighten them up real tight and then put the top of the chimney in place. We're now putting the handle of the lid. Now the screws are attached to the handle, so just undo them and then you'll be able to pop them on the lid and tighten them with the spanner. Now I'm unwrapping the fire pot guard and the grease tray. They are a bit greasy, so that's why they're wrapped. Now the cooking grate and the upper grate as well. I just need to unwrap the grease bucket, which attaches to the right hand side, and there we have it. Ta-da!